Hi, I got gifted this messy kids stain remover from the brand, and I'm so excited because kids stain everything, no matter if you put a bib on them or try to teach them how to like eat carefully. They're learning to eat, so it will be a little bit messy, and so I'm so excited to try this on their clothes. All right, and it's super easy to use. You make sure like whatever you're treating kind of is like dusted off a bit, so if there's like food crumbs, kind of like dust those off. Spray this on there and then like kind of just blot it a little bit, let it sit there for a bit, and then rinse it off with some cold water and throw it into the washing machine. Sometimes you might have to do like this 2 or 3 times depending how sudden the stain is, but we are going to give it a try. All right, I'm going to try it on my son's shirt. He decided that having pen on his shirt was a good idea. So we are just going to spray the ink. Wherever there's ink, we will just spray it. All right, now we are going to wait 3 to 5 minutes and we are going to blot it with a cloth. All right, so I think that has been about 4 minutes. So now we will just kind of rub and scrub a little bit and try to get these ink stains out of the shirt. All right, number 1 is looking pretty good. Oh, that already looks really good. So this is where I just scrubbed right here. And as you can see how dark all the other pen is, let's do one more mark. All right, and that mark that was right there is now gone. So this stuff works amazing. I am so glad I got it.